cima da cama, botando de quatro, puxando o cabelo, botando de lado. Eu mal comecei, ele já tá safado, novinho, bandido, safado.
What's up, y'all? It's Ace here. Happy Halloween, by the way. We got my boy Roy, Roni here, and we finna go on a drive, man. Oh, two CLS is just looking beautiful, man. Looking beautiful. Right. Let's make them engines work. Let's go. All right, I'll follow you. Alright, destination downtown. I don't even have it in my phone, so I'll probably put that in once we get to the gas station. See, he's getting his little drink now, but I already got my Red Bull, so I'm good to go, you know? I don't gotta worry. And this is what the outfit is looking like, you know? I'm sure y'all didn't see, but you know, Halloween was soon, so this is what we rocking. But I gotta admit, you know, his CLS is very polished, man. Very polished. Obviously got the 5% temp, you know. Oh yeah, me too, man. You gotta have it. Yeah, this how we rocking. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm playing. I don't even need gas. I'm good. So, but this is mine. This fool. Damn. Almost got me too, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, we really finna act like there's not someone on the highway riding a bike right now at night? And we made it. Getting downtown was crazy. I mean, I almost drove on. Exactly, bro. Did you see me swerve?
I didn't see it, bro, until I ran over.
Holy shit. Hey, good drive though, man.
It got some good vids, huh?
Oh yeah, hell yeah, man.
Dang. I hope that didn't fuck up my camera.
Oh, I hope not either. You drove over it?
Yeah, bro.
Fuck.
It like made like a bank.
Yeah, when I seen you drive over it, I was like, hell no.
Bro,
But look, hey, we can use that as an excuse to be here and be like, you know? Yeah.
Где все свои, где все по-простому. Обниму я маму, бью по больному, но по-своему, а не по-чужому.